Steel is everywhere, in knives, cars, bridges, and buildings. But steel has one natural enemy: rust. In this video, you'll learn why steel rusts, why stainless steel is different, and how engineers fight corrosion every day. Knives look strong and solid, so many people are surprised when they rust. Most knives are made from carbon steel. Carbon steel is hard, sharp, and durable, but it contains a lot of iron. When iron is exposed to oxygen and moisture, a chemical reaction begins. This reaction creates iron oxide, rust. That's why even expensive knives can rust if they are left wet or dirty. Stainless steel behaves differently. The key difference is chromium. Stainless steel contains at least 10% chromium. When chromium touches oxygen, it forms a thin protective layer on the surface. This layer is invisible, but it blocks oxygen from reaching the iron underneath. Even if the surface is scratched, the layer can repair itself. This is why stainless steel resists rust. But stainless steel is not magic. In extreme conditions, the protective layer can fail. Salt water, high temperatures, and deep surface damage can break the chromium layer. When that happens, oxygen reaches the iron, and rust can begin to form. So, stainless steel resists rust, but it is not invincible. Salt water is one of steel's worst enemies. Salt increases the electrical conductivity of water. This speeds up corrosion reactions dramatically. That's why ships, offshore platforms, and coastal bridges rust faster than structures inland. The ocean slowly destroys metal, one reaction at a time. Many people confuse rust with corrosion, but they are not the same. Rust only happens to iron and steel. Corrosion is a broader process that affects many metals. Aluminum corrodes, copper corrodes, but only iron creates rust. Understanding this difference is essential in engineering. Rust never stops, so engineers never stop fighting it. They use paint and protective coatings. They design alloys with special elements. They avoid sharp corners where water collects. Corrosion protection is not one solution, it's a system. This is how engineers protect cars, bridges, factories, and cities. Rust is simple chemistry, but fighting it takes engineering. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to SteelMind. More metal, more engineering, less mystery.